Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Pattaya, Thailand. I almost said Pattaya, Bangkok, guys, and I'm mad as hell, guys, and I'm so disappointed. You know, we saw that over the past couple of days we're seeing that the crypto markets were pumping, everything was looking pretty fine, and if we look at what things are doing right now, we're seeing that Bitcoin is down, Ethereum is down, everything is down, down. And I did talk to you in my previous video that Bitcoin has to keep some key levels, guys, and those key levels is Bitcoin needs to keep above the 24,200, and if we can't see Bitcoin staying above the $24,200 level, then Bitcoin could simply break down, and that would take us down to the 22,600 level. So remember, Wednesdays are often reversal days, so we're not out of the woods yet. We're still seeing that Bitcoin right now, time recording, is struggling to stay above the 24,200 level. We're not out of the woods yet. We're absolutely not out of the woods yet. But remember, Wednesday is a big reversal day, but we are seeing that the market makers are trying to take liquidity. What they did is they wrecked out all the shorts, when Bitcoin went up to almost $25,000. And now what they're doing is, when we did get as close to $25,000, we saw a lot of, leverage traders. They did put in a lot of long positions. So what's happening is the market makers are pushing the Bitcoin price down to remove the liquidity, remove your liquidity. So, one of the things that's wrecking the crypto markets is the leverage traders, guys, absolutely leverage traders and the market makers. Remember, BlackRock is one of the biggest market makers out there, guys, and they do manipulate the markets. They will manipulate the markets. That's exactly what they do time and time again, guys. So that is just part and parcel of what is happening in the markets right now. Is we're just seeing that there's a lot of manipulation going on, and from that perspective, a lot of the newbies out there, they don't really understand that this manipulation is happening. They just think this is how the market absolutely works. But in fact, it's just market manipulation, and that's what we're seeing time and time again, ladies and gentlemen. So let's keep on keeping on. So keep in mind that some of the key levels that we have to respect is the $24,200 level. If we can't get ourselves above the $24,200 level, then we'll definitely be seeing ourselves going down to 22,600. So brace yourselves for impact, guys. But I'm really mad as hell because I was expecting that the markets were going to continue to go up, because we had to boom, here we go, everything was blasting off, everything's looking good, my portfolio was looking good, but damn it, things are not looking that good right now. So if you take a look at right now what's going on with the U.S. markets right now, we are seeing that at the time of recording, U.S. markets are starting to flip right now. We were seeing that in the pre-markets, we're seeing that a lot of red, but we're seeing the markets are starting to flip right now. So that is pretty good. Hopefully this will continue, and we will see that cryptocurrency will also follow right now. So stocks did slump after 4 consecutive weeks of S&P gains, but I think those slumps are now turning to green, so that is pretty good. Looks like home builders say U.S. is in a housing recession as sentiment turns negative, guys. So we're also seeing the housing sentiment turns negative. This is just kind of a funny little story. It looks like Elon Musk wants to cut this terrible habit from his morning routine. And a lot of people, I believe a lot of people are doing this. And, one of those things that he's talking about is, whenever he wakes up in the morning, and this guy's like a huge billionaire, is he spends the first 30 to 40 minutes looking at his phone. So what he wants to do is he wants to cut that out. And instead of looking at his phone, he wants to go to the gym. So this is good, something wacky, something wild. And, we're seeing that right now, overall, we're seeing the fear and greed is gone down slightly from yesterday. And we're at neutral. So, I think we're probably going to see this going down even more tomorrow when we wake up. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Let's take a look at the DXY right now. So the DXY is going up. There's probably a high degree of possibility that we're going to see DXY to go to 108, and that's going to further, infuriate the Bitcoin price, and that's going to cause the Bitcoin to even go lower. We're seeing right now that the S&P is looking pretty good. We're seeing some green, so that is pretty good. So that is good news in house. If we take a look at Bitcoin on the weekly right now, we're seeing that this weekly candle, we still got 6 days and 10 hours, so it's not too late. We can probably turn this around, but remember, if we can't stay above the $24,200 level, then we're going to collapse down to 22,600. So guys, buckle up for that and get ready for that. That is the worst that's going to be coming. Looks like big breaking news. Looks like the Dogecoin, the rope on the soap candidate, basically speaks out, and he's I think he's still being a little arrogant, and he said, "I've never thought about what could happen to me if this fails." Dogecoin said, "Well, it did fail, brother, and I I alone are responsible. But one of the things he did say in this article is that he believes that an insider, that that there was the Terra creator said that there was likely an insider at Terraform Labs who took advantage of the information on the protocol's vulnerabilities to profit. Although he does not name anyone, but I added, and I am alone responsible for the weakness that could have been presented for a short seller to take profit. So it looks like what he's saying is that somebody inside the Terra Labs organization knew there was a vulnerability, took advantage of that and shorted the crap out of it, and that is one of the reasons that we had this, one of the worst losses in crypto history happen. And speaking about crypto history, we got the Ethereum merge that's coming as well, so buckle up for that September 15th, guys. So it looks like also Justine's bankrupt Celsius network says it expects a negative net cash flow of 137 million through October's filings reveals. So that's not looking good for Celsius. I mean, there's not much chance of people getting their money out. So this is kind of interesting crypto money flow, and we can see it is clear that the BTC is slowly crawling upwards, mainly consolidating at current prices, whereas Ethereum is generally leading the market and also enabling money flow. So we're seeing right now that the money flow tends to go from fiat to Bitcoin to large caps to mid caps and low caps, and then people tend to take out the profits out of low caps. Those are kind of what people call the poo-poo schmata coins, and then go back into Bitcoin. So that is kind of like the money flow. So it's kind of cool. Looks like coming in right now, it looks like Justin Cyprus grants Revolut authorization to offer crypto services across the European Economic Area, and that's gonna be available to 17 million users. Now I'm using Revolut in the UK, and Revolut is pretty cool because you can actually buy crypto and you can buy stocks on there, and it acts as a normal banker card. You've got the debit card and all that kind of stuff. So it is cool, guys. Absolutely cool. But remember, if you do have crypto on Revolut, you can't cash out in crypto. You have to basically sell it and get fiat, guys. So you can't actually send stuff to other crypto wallets. So that is kind of it's kind of like Robinhood before they had their crypto wallets. So it looks like we have Bitcoin forming another perspective now, an attempt to break the battle zone. So we're seeing this huge battle zone, and this battle zone is between 24,600 and a low of 22,600. So we're seeing this 24,600 to 22,600 is a huge battle zone, guys. Absolute battle zone. And it looks like we're having this huge rejection that is in play right now. And you guys can absolutely see that there is absolutely a rejection in play right now. And if we continue to get rejected, as I said, again and again, then we're going to be having some downside, and that is going to take us down, down, guys. So, let's hope that Wednesday will be a reversal day. Often is a reversal day. So let's get it, guys. Let's hopefully and be hopeful, and praise that we're going to see an upside, guys. So this is, we're taking a look at Ethereum USD price right now. So having seen many possible talking about the inverse head and shoulders of Ethereum, the key levels are 1,700 to 2,000, and acceptance back into that range is likely because can cause some drop. So if what he's saying basically is if Ethereum does drop into the $17,000 to $2,000 range, we're going to see some chop, and we're going to see some resistance and possibly get some rejection out there. So let's take a look at what's going on with Ethereum. Ethereum is at the $1,900 range right now. So we're going to get some chop, and once again, we got devastated, absolutely devastated. We got absolutely annihilated. I'm so mad, guys, that Ethereum could not hold the $2,000 level, guys. And this was just kind of like soft resistance. But we're just having a hard time banging past that. We keep getting rejected over and over again, so that is not good. I'm just really getting tired and irritated. Why can't we blow past? And look at that, guys. So it looks like finally it's happened. Shiba Inu has flipped. Dogecoin for its popularity on Twitter. So it looks like Dogecoin is taking a second spot on Twitter. So that's too bad, guys. So right now, for the price of Dogecoin, we're seeing that Dogecoin right now is at 0.768. So that is not too shabby, considering that we have a good huge support zone at 0.78, and we have this 0.725 support zone. So it's not too bad, guys. We did come down all the way to the bottom here of around about 7.43. We've come up a little bit, so hopefully we'll keep on keeping on. We just have to watch out for what Bitcoin is doing, because the Bitcoin is really dragging down the market as well. So guys and gals, don't forget to secure your money on a Nano Ledger wallet. If you don't own the private keys, you do not own your crypto. Secure your crypto get it off lending platforms, get it off centralized exchanges, and check out my affiliate link down below. You're going to want it. So right now, if we take a look at the Shiba Inu right now, so Shiba Inu has some really good, huge support around about 0.728. And we've also got some support around this area as well, which is around about the 11.65 area. Let me just put the line in there. So that is what that is. That's some really good support level. But we have seen that Shiba Inu has retraced somewhat as well due to the downward spiral of Bitcoin. So we did see that Shiba Inu did go as high as around about 18 in the house, and it has come down from its highs, and it's dropped almost. If you take a look at this chart from here to there, it's gone down almost around 11%. So that is not looking too good. But Shiba Inu has actually taken a brunt of most of the not the attacks, but most of the losses out there, as Shiba Inu has actually given up a lot of those losses, and that is primarily due that we did see a lot of FOMO in from retail investors. When we did see that Shiba Inu is starting to pump it, we did see a lot of retail investors like ape in, and they thought, yeah, we're going to the moon, guys. And once again, FOMO rockets sometimes they burn out pretty fast and come crashing down again, and we did see that huge crash from here. And if we measure that crash from where we are at the top to where we're at the bottom, that it was a huge 15%, it's a huge 15% crash out there. So, if you guys are able to buy in here at the bottom at around about 15.29 and then take that up to where we are right now, so you'd be up about 5%. So that's not too shabby, Shiba Inu. Let's take a look at what's going on with Ethereum. Again, Ethereum is once again, like I said, it's getting rejected, can't get past the 2,000. It's getting pretty boring. Let's take a look at the leverage. Just give me this minty, refreshy, weshy out there. So yeah, I'm really disappointed. I'm really disappointed that we couldn't see the continuation of this pump. But let's hope that the $24,200 level for Bitcoin does hold. Let's hope the $1,900 level does hold for Ethereum. Let's hope that the 0.73 does hold, and that the Shiba Inu does hold its current levels as well. So we're seeing about $283 million worth of wreckage. Pretty light, but we are seeing a lot of traders did get wrecked. So the amount that they have been leveraged is less than normal, and we're seeing that on the hourly time frame about 86% shorts. So that's just kind of interesting. Why is Bitcoin not pumping, guys? Bitcoin should be pumping and it's not pumping. So this is definitely market makers taking liquidity, guys, and they're just messing with us. So let's take a look at the total market cap. Market cap has come up slightly right now. It's up 1.18 trillion, and the volumes are picking up as well at 55.03 billion. And we're seeing that the Bitcoin dominance now is at 39.29. Let's take a look at the coinage in house, guys. We're seeing that Bitcoin is down 1.23%. We're seeing Ethereum is down as well, 3.23%. And Ethereum really needs to hold this $1,900 level. Bitcoin needs to go up to the $24,200 level. If not, we're going to collapse down, guys. BNB is also down slightly. We're seeing that ADA is still down, but it's still above the 50-cent level, so that is pretty good. Solana is down. We're seeing Dogecoin is down 1.19%, but it's still respecting the 0.73 level, so that is good. Shiba Inu is still up 14%, 4% at 16, so not too shabby, guys. Let's take a look at that again. Not too shabby, guys. It's not too shabby in the house, not so shabby wabby. So that is feeling pretty good out there. So everything is mixed right now. But if you look at the 30-day gains, we're seeing that Ethereum is up it's 55%. We're seeing a BNB is up 34%, ADA is up 28%. So we're seeing some good gainers, guys. Shiba's up 50%, almost 50% in the 30 days. So we are seeing some really good gains overall. So that's going to bring this video to a closey wozy. Go follow me on my Twitter, guys. We got 4,631 follows. I would appreciate it, guys. And don't forget to go down there, smash the likes like never before. Go crazy with the likes. Super chats would be much appreciated. Go down there, check out all my affiliate links, guys. And there's the face, and you can find all the affiliate links. Just go down, show more, and then you go all the way down, go through all this, and there's the linkage, guys. So you can go down there, support the channel. We got a Dogecoin tippy jar, buy the channel a coffee, become a Patreon member, do all that kind of stuff. I appreciate it. And guys and gals, don't forget to check out the merch, guys. We got the bags, we got the hoodies, we got t-shirts, we got everything, guys. So merch up, gear up with OG gear. So guys, I want to say thank you very much. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being part of the community. Don't forget to smash the likes, boost the likes, and show some love out there. Peace out.